I'm Dr. Dan, and this is a short video. It's an intro to gluten sensitivity part 2. Now in part 1 in the presentation we discussed the overview of the gluten sensitivity issue, and because I wanted you to have some feel of the magnitude and severity of the problem, and also know that this is not a fringe opinion. This is based on some very solid science, and it's going to help you, it could save your life. Now in the second video, we're talking about implementation. How do you deal with this in the grocery store? How do you select what to eat in a restaurant, or how do you even select the restaurant you're going to go to? What about going to friends' houses and that kind of thing? And also, what happens if you get just a little bit of gluten? Is that a big deal? And the short answer is yes, it is. It takes about 2 months at least for your body to reset itself from getting just a very tiny bit of gluten. The next thing we want to talk about on that presentation will be supplements. So we're going to deal with what supplements are going to help you heal, which ones are absolutely necessary. There are a couple, and that would be things like vitamin D, and there are some digestive enzyme type products that are helpful too. And we want to talk a little bit more about diagnosis, because I want you to understand that certain diagnostic methods are going to be expensive and maybe not even useful. And there are some very important and efficient and very telling diagnostic techniques available to you, and I'm a big fan of the genetics approach to that. So that is part 2 of this gluten presentation. So I encourage you to look through that, and hopefully you'll find that very helpful for you. Thanks a lot for listening.